exploring the meaning of hip issues. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into the phrase hip issues. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of its meaning and usage. Let's dive right in. Hip issues is a phrase that can be broken down into two parts, hip and issues. Hip refers to the area on each side of the human body below the waist, where the thigh bone connects to the pelvis. It's a joint that allows movement and supports the weight of the body. Issues in this context refers to problems, concerns, or complications. So, when combined, hip issues generally means problems or complications associated with the hip area. This can relate to pain, limited movement, injuries, or any other abnormality or condition affecting the hip. There are various conditions or problems that can be categorized as hip issues. Here are some common ones. 1. Arthritis, an inflammation of the hip joint causing pain and stiffness. 2. Hip fracture, a break in the upper part of the thigh bone close to the hip. 3. Bursitis, inflammation of the fluid-filled sacs that act as cushions in the hip joint. 4. Tendinitis, inflammation of the tendons around the hip. 5. Hip labral tear, a tear in the ring of cartilage around the hip socket. Remember, there are many more conditions that can be considered hip issues. It's always best to consult a medical professional for diagnosis and treatment. Let's see how we can use this phrase in everyday language. 1. My grandmother has been having hip issues recently. She finds it hard to walk without pain. 2. After the accident, he developed some hip issues that required physical therapy. 3. She avoids certain exercises because of her hip issues. We hope this video provided you with a clear understanding of the phrase, hip issues. Remember, language is not just about learning words, but understanding their context and usage. We're always here to guide you in your English language journey. Happy learning!